Hello everyone. Today I am going to review the Alpinestars SMX-1 R vented boots. Let's get to it. So the way they design these, it's actually pretty nifty. So it has zipper on the side and this Velcro that goes over the zipper, so you don't scratch up your bike or anything. But as soon as you undo the zipper and Velcro, it's real easy to just slip them on. Then all you do is zip them up. Piece of cake. So let's go ahead and talk about the qualities of these boots. As a rider, you want the best protection possible. That's for all your gear. Gloves, jacket, pants, helmet, and your boots. Now, some people, of course, skip on the jacket and stuff, which, to each his own. I'm a firm believer of all the gear all the time, but the one thing you don't want to skimp on is your boots. Boots and gloves, but we're talking about boots here. So the problem with boots, unless you ride around in like normal hiking boots or whatever, which they provide some protection, but they aren't designed for taking a tumble on the road. They don't provide the ankle support that you need to protect your ankle from snapping, or they don't provide pads for catching the side of the road with your toe. So obviously you don't want to wear sneakers because they offer zero protection, but normal racing boots, track boots, they are high on you and they can be somewhat uncomfortable. Well, Alpinestars designed these to be the best of both worlds. They are very comfortable. They are flexible. They take into account comfort and protection. So they designed these to be for the person who doesn't want to wear those rigid boots that make it somewhat awkward to walk in, almost like ski boots, to the person who's comfortable walking around in sneakers. And they did a great job at it. So let's talk about some of the things here. So first of all, these are vented boots. You can get them in non-vented, but I wanted them for the hot weather riding, and I got to tell you, they are amazing. So you will see there's perforation throughout the boot. The flex areas also are vented, and the liner inside allows for good ventilation. And the vents work great. I mean, the only time my feet get hot are with the way my motorcycle, the Ninja 1000 SX, is designed. The heat, when the radiator fans come on, it blows right on your feet. So there isn't much you can do about that. But the airflow through these things are amazing. And the downfall to that, of course, is if you're riding during the day and then the sun sets and it cools down, it can get pretty cold. So they offer a lot of airflow, and I recommend for summer riding or if you're in a hot climate area. You don't want to be caught in a 40-degree cold snap with these boots on. Your toes will freeze because they are so well vented. Now, the boots do have your armor on the toe. So when you're going in the leans and stuff, your toe will be protected. It has a Velcro strap. So this is how you tighten it down around your ankle for good support. And once you have it set, like you saw when I put my foot in, you can just wiggle your foot in and you're fine. But if you want to snug it up, simple Velcro, and it pulls tight. And I already covered this. It's a zipper, so you don't have any shoelaces. And then the Velcro goes over to protect your bike from the zipper. The inside is perforated, so you can see that the interior is perforated too to allow airflow. And it does a great job at that. Alpinestars has this new sole design, which is supposed to improve grip. And I have never slipped with these boots. It works great. And I've worn them. I wore them all year. I just got them at the beginning of the year, so I had all season to all riding season to test them out, and they work great. You have a protective pad above the toes here. The heel is protected by this rigid plastic form, and that'll also help protect your ankle from snapping as it's down here. All in all, I give it 5 thumbs up. I have never worn such a comfortable riding boot, and I have no complaints on this one. Other than when it cools down. The one thing I can say is the sizing can be a little tricky. Usually they say to size 1 down from the sizing chart. I wear normally 12 New Balance. This is 11.5, and it fits perfect. I'm not going to go through all of the features. It is quite an extensive list. Check out Alpinestars' site for the full list. I will say these are CE2 certified, so they offer pretty good protection, a lot better than CE1. So all in all, I highly recommend these boots. I think I am going to get the set of the non-perforated so that I can ride in the cooler weather with them. Again, they are not good in cold weather because they are so well vented, but in hot weather, I have never worn anything so comfortable. They're more comfortable than wearing sneakers. And yes, a long time ago, I did wear sneakers when I rode, and these vent even better than them. So I highly recommend these for hot weather riding. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.